for you doing this film sa isa't isa?
Ako muna, para magaan. Hindi pala mahilig mag-smile si Christine. Sa ganda niyang to, parang talaga ba, Christine? Yun lang, pero masaya namang ano yan, discovery. Parang, hindi na kailangan mag-smile, no? Kasi maganda talaga siya. Pero smile ka na dun sa scene. Okay lang. Hindi, totoo. Pero ano, yung kay Baron, explain ko na kanina eh. Marami naman ako sinabi na, second discovery. Kay Christina, ang galing nito. Yun lang. Kasi parang ano siya, parang siyang estudyante na pag pumasok sa exam, ready siya. Siya yung finish, yung mauuna, parang ganun. So yun lang, natuwa ako doon. Sobrang akong na-appreciate kasi ano na lang kung may tweakings man, konting-konti kasi kuha niya agad Kuha niya yung emotion, kuha niya agad yung paano niya sasabihin. Yun lang, ewan ko, paano mo nagagawa yun? Oo, dun lang sa, smile ka, masaya ka pa dapat dito Yun lang, pero yun nga, lalo na pagka mga mabibigat na eksena, master siya dun. Yun lang, kasi wow. Hindi totoo, hindi mga tabubula. Walang dahilan.
Actually, nag-uusap kami parati ni Direk.
Bakit ako yung kasama sa usap namin?
Hindi kasi lagi na siya, ang ganda ni Christine. Bakit? Parang what did you say, Direk? Sabi ko, bakit ganun yung nagtatranscend yung
emotion niya, yung
emotion. Sabi ko, effortless no, Direk. So, galing mo dito. May mga moments, to be honest, na habang ka-eksena ko si Christine, parang siguro yung reaction ko yung tanga or astonished. It's real kasi it's like I'm watching her perform na parang wow. It's so effortless and parang ang ka-eksena ko nga international actor. So, yeah. Well.
For me, ang mga na-discover ko talaga, in totality, masarap magtrabaho kapag ang mga kasama mo sa trabaho marunong, magaling, alam yung ginagawa, hindi naglalaro. Yun yung discovery ko kay Direk Marlon Baron and the rest. Walang mga talagang tutok tayo. Ito yung story natin, ito si Shell, ito si Deo. Alam mo yun, andun yung mundo namin pag nasa set kami. Andun kami sa story. Para kaming, alam mo yun, minsan kasi pag nasa work ka, wala dun yung mind mo. Pero pag nasa set kami, talagang, alam mo yun, nandun kami sa character. So, ang saya to work with Direk Marlon Baron kasi nai-ignite yung passion mo sa acting.
Wow, bigat ng word ignite. Christine and Baron, my second and final question. Base sa tema ng pelikula, how are you able to relate this or to connect this to your respective lives?
Well, I think most of you know naman that I'm in a blended family and by God's grace, it's working. We're happy. I have no complaints. And it just takes a lot of effort. Like, when I started with Jamie, bago pa lang kami, hindi lang po siya yung niligawan ko. Niligawan ko rin yung two boys na yun. And by loving their mother so much, naging normal yung respect nila sa akin. And nagkaroon ako ng relationship with my two boys. And I treat them as my own. It's just a decision of making good choices. I think I said this earlier. Your choices may be good. There will always be consequences pagdating sa blended family. So I just have to be me and Jamie just have to be ready for kung anong ibibigay sa amin ng buhay. Ready and prepared.
Yeah, in terms of having blended family, I think sa ano lang yun nagmamatter yung parang common sense lang, diba? Past is past and you have to move forward to your present life. So just deal with what you have right now and deal with it accordingly. So tanggalin mo na lang yung drama, it's all in the past, move on and give it your best shot and dalhin mo yung kung ano yung learnings mo from the past, itama mo na ngayon. So yun.
May I add lang, dahil sa setup nitong blended family, mas naging mature akong tao because it takes a lot of maturity to understand, her past traumas, healing together, and of course, our mission and vision not only for the kids, but also for our love. Saan ba papunta yung relationship namin? And yung feeling of security na kahit na ano mangyari, knowing her past and she knows mine, importante, we both respect each other as individuals, and gaya ng sinabi ni Christy, we just have to stumble forward and be prepared sa mga events. Yeah. Kasi ang dami natin na obstacles rin in life. It's not all flowers and
But if you have a strong mind, diba, and faith to God, you'll make it.
yeah. Ako lang, mag 5 years na kaming married ng wife ko. I mean, longer, wala palakpa.
5 years.
5 years, that's my longest relationship.
Yeah.
6 years and a half na kami. 5 years married. So, ang dami ko rin natutunan sa partner ko. Sobrang open ko rin kasi.
And we can all see it.
Thank you. Thank you, Jamie. Love you.
Thank you.
Pwede i-add ko lang, sobrang bait ni Christine. Hindi, may kwento lang ako sa first shooting day natin. Nandun yung wife ko, same tayo ng dressing room, may sarili ka ng kwarto dito. I wanna thank you because you made an effort to go to the sala and talk to my wife. Sobrang nakakatuwa yun and so humble of you to do that and then after that, parang sabi ko, wow, ang galing. So, nawala yung intimidation ko to work with you. That's ikaw yung nagsimula, no?
For me kasi kilala na kita eh. So syempre I wanna get to know your wife.
The person behind this transformation.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Tim.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat at of course good luck to all of you.